Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to fix my home washing machine and basically this is Swan SW2062S model, and the problem is when we plug this wire it's not getting power up, and here you can see it's written fused, and it's mean that this is protected with fuse, and here you can see also fused over here. So what I have to do, first I will remove this and just plug it out, and yes, here you can see here's the fuse. And the principle is how to check the fuse. Place your multimeter on continuity and check this wire and check this, and it's short. So its fuse has been worn out, but we don't know why. So most probably the problem would be inside the washing machine, but first we have to remove this cover and then we will check inside, and then we will replace the fuse. If we replace this fuse without checking the machine, it will again worn out, because fuse always worn out due to some problem. So it's mean there is some problem and this fuse is getting worn out. So first remove this panel and then we will check. So yes, we have to remove this, and so here its power cable comes, and this is the main power cable source, and here you can see there's too much blackish thing inside. So most probably the problem is there. So I think I have to remove this capacitor. This is the capacitor, this is the filter capacitor, and I have to remove this to check it thoroughly. So let's remove this. Okay, I have removed this. This is EMI filter, and this EMI filter has 0.47 microfarad capacitor inside, and also 25 nanofarad two capacitors inside. So this is the EMI filter, and here you can see it's very much blackish, and the problem is with this. And here you can see the wire, it's damaged. So what I have to do, so I have to replace this capacitor EMI filter with the original one, and then I can. But before that, if I want to check my machine either it's working or not, I can bypass this, because it's the principle is to or its use is to just filter the sine waves. So I can bypass these two wires for checking this machine. So let's do this, and then after that I will replace this, and if there is anything faulty, then I will check all those things and I will go to the market and purchase all things. So if I stop working here and go market and only for this, it's might possible that when we assemble this machine and other problems come. So I have to bypass this for a short while, and then we will check. So here I have bypassed these two wires, I have bypassed this EMI filter by connecting these wire together. And now let's check this. Is power on? Yes, now it's power on. So the problem, I think almost my machine is okay. So let's press the start button. And yes, it's draining its water. So I think I am okay with this project. So I just have to stop this or pause this and then switch off. Now I will go to market and then I will replace this. Thank you very much for watching this video.